All right, let's do a demo. So I've got a SSH session open here to my first Raspberry Pi, player 1, which is currently showing that it's disconnected from Amazon. And I also have a second SSH session going to player 2 here, which is also showing that it's not currently connected to Amazon. So let's get those connected. All right, repos, remote roller, Python, remote roller, and then same thing over here. But first, we'll watch this go through its startup phase, connect to Amazon, and then the green button lights up indicating that it is ready for the player to roll the dice and then push the button to take the picture. But before we do that, let's get the other player going. So again, cd repos remote roller, Python 3. And we should see player number 2 do the same thing. So it should go to starting up and then connected. And then we are set. We have a green light. One last thing I want to start though is this monitor that is going to subscribe to the lot. So Python 3 monitor. All right, so it's listening to both of them. Let's do it. Let's roll the dice and press the button. So I'm going to start with player 1. And we grab some dice here. Oh, that one's on its side. That's not going to be great. Let's do that again. It's the demo effect. All right, we've got dice and we're going to push the button. It's going to capture the image. Takes a few seconds. It's not super fast. It's going to analyze the image and it's going to post it now up to Amazon. The light starts blinking, and if we look on the other terminal, it says opponent rolled, waiting for you. It's blinking, so let's roll the dice over here. All right, and we're going to push the button to send our roll. So again, capturing image, please wait. And analyzing. And hey, player number 2 won, 20-14. Let's count the dice and see if that's actually correct. So what do we have here? We have 10 and 22. So that's not quite right. And then over here we have 7, 8, 9, 14. All right, let's do it again. We can analyze the images later. So we'll grab the dice. Oops. Grab the dice. All right, and we're going to push the button, capturing the image. And it's waiting for the other side now, so let's grab the dice. All right, we got some dice. Let's push the button. Analyzing. Let's see who won. Oh, they won this time. So it says 18-10. Let's see what we got here. 3. Hey, that's 10. That's good. And over here we've got 10, 14, 18. All right. So that's it for the demo. And the demo genies did, give me side eye and cause that thing to not count the right number of dice for the first time since I've had this thing working. That's it.